Dear Max FM.
Dear Max FM with DJ Chili.
Dear Max FM. Magandang hapon po sa inyong lahat. And by the way, it's me again, Kevin. Isa akong OFW dito sa Saudi Arabia. At pangatlong abroad ko na ito. Kaya nagmamanifest ako na sana dito na ako swertehin. Totoo pala yung sabi ng mga tao na kapag maranasan mong maging OFW, maa-addict ka na. Dahil hindi ka na makukontento sa kakarampot na sweldo sa ating bansa. Kaya sabi nila, karamihan sa mga nag-a-abroad, natatrap sila sa kanilang mga ambisyon. As an OFW now, working in abroad, I understand the point. Hirap iwan ang opportunity dito. Aminin na natin, mas madali kang makakahanap ng work sa abroad kesa sa Pilipinas. Mas mataas rin ang sahod. But of course, may opportunities rin naman sa Philippines. Pero di ganun karami compared sa abroad. Sa totoo lang, hindi naman talaga abroad yung trap. Ang tunay na trap ay ang estado ng buhay natin. No one forces us to work in abroad. But somehow, alam nating dahil mahirap tayo, we will exhaust all these available opportunities. Kahit na mapapalayo tayo sa pamilya. Kahit na challenging ang pag-a-adjust. Pag-a-adjust sa kultura, tradisyon, klima, pagkain, at sa iba pang aspeto. Kaya for me, abroad is not a trap. But we are trapped by the reality of life. Na may mga desisyon tayong kailangang gawin. Kasi may pangarap tayong gustong abutin. Pangarap para sa sarili. Pangarap para sa pamilya. And these are my 6 realizations working abroad. 1. You can't go home anytime you want. Akala ng iba, ayaw mo lang umuwi. Kasi nag-e-enjoy ka na sa ibang bansa. Pero madami dapat i-consider, hindi lang ang pamasahe. Kung pwede nga lang every 6 months umuwi or more. 2. It is tiring and exhausting, but you need to keep going. Pero kapag kausap sila, dapat masigla ka or masaya. They can tell their problem, but sometimes you cannot tell your own problems. Kasi ayaw mo silang mag-alala. Keep going is no longer an option. It is now an obligation. 3. Trust few people. I would not suggest the old sayings, trust no one. Real friends, real people are heaven-sent angels in different images. It is hard to give your trust to strangers, kahit kabayan pa. But when you meet real ones, treasure them. People come and go, but real ones stay. 4. Homesick and overthink happens frequently. Paano sila? Paano siya? Pero hindi mo minsan matanong paano naman ako. Some souls cry and suffer silently. And it is hard to overcome overnight. Too many things are rumbling in your mind. Existential crisis, chasing dreams, getting older, and your family situation. 5. Being alone most of the time. These are times na wala kang support system, kundi ang sarili mo lang. You are afraid to get sick, and you are afraid to fail. You are afraid to break into pieces. Even though it is hard, always hold yourself together and take care of yourself. And 6th realization. Prayer will always be your unspoken messages. Whether you are religious or not, we always want to speak what's on our minds. Our cries, our rants, our plans. The only safe place to send our messages is through prayers. Hahanapin ang maraming rason para patuloy na lumaban. Kaysa magbabalik mag-abroad. Pag-isipan ang bawat plano at desisyon. Dahil mistulang sugal ang pangingibang bansa. Pwede kang malasin at hindi naman malayong swertihin din. Hanggang dito na lamang. Please play the songs. Tuloy pa rin at maghintay ka lamang. Ang inyong kamags, Kevin. Sing like no one is listening. Love like you've never been hurt. Dance like nobody is watching. And live like it is heaven on earth. Dear Max FM.
Dear Max FM with DJ Chini. Samahan si DJ Chini tuwing 1:00 hanggang 3:00 ng hapon, Lunes hanggang Biyernes sa Dear Max FM. Dear Max FM with DJ Chini. Ipadala na ang sarili niyong kwento, matuto ng leksyon at gawin itong inspirasyon. Dear Max FM with DJ Chini.